Hey everyone, and welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In our last video, we covered the basics of the CapCut interface. Today, we are going to take your edits to the next level by learning how to add background music and effects to your clips. In our previous video, we learned how to import your clips, add your videos to your timeline, including how to split your clip onto. Let me import effects because I want to add effects to this video. Let's import an effect and music from my library. I've imported my audio files from my device into CapCut. And remember, in this video we're going to learn how to import music. You can import it from here like I mentioned, or from here, and we're going to look at that much later, and we're going to see how we're going to add our music to our timeline, adjust volume and timing, and then we'll look at tips and tricks for audio editing. So let's add our music first. You can drag and drop. When you drag and drop, you can drop it anywhere you like. We drop this here, for instance, or you can click on the plus button. When you click here, it adds automatically. But dragging and dropping it means you can move it to anywhere you like, any point in your timeline you want the music to start. So this is an effect, and we are going to add it as well. Yes, just like that. And remember, I told you you can mute your audio. So we want to, first of all, let's mute this and play some of the video a bit. We are muting all the sound except from the video. The effect I imported here is for the dropping water, and we are going to add that effect as the water drops. This requires some attention to detail. Let's turn the sound on and let's hear it. You hear that now? Our water is dropping. Let's go to editing our sound. Let's unmute this clip and hear the sound. Not the perfect audio for this scene, but we will use it. So to edit this clip, first we want to lower the volume, because background music, once they begin to talk, the music may overshadow the voices. Let's hear that. You can hear that the music is too loud. So we drag the volume back a bit and we play it again.
Not long after.
So we want to do a fade in where you want the music to come in slowly. So we'll drag this fade in. This is how many seconds. You can see 2.1 seconds. That's how long it takes for the music to come in, for it to fade in. And we could drag it further. And from here you can see the lines, how it goes slowly. Drag it to the middle. Shorten this audio so we'll hear it at its highest, and we'll do the fade that it finishes slower. hear it begin to fade out as it goes. The longer you drag this, the longer it takes for it to fade out. And for now, we just split the clip, and we can drag one end. Suppose we don't want music in the middle here, we drag the clip and you can also use those points to fade in the music and fade out as you like. This is royalty-free music, and CapCut makes it easy to just get. Once you get the audio, you can scan through the audio and choose something you like. Let's choose something. Let's mute this audio and let's try Bound by Memory. Let's hear that. No. Let's stop that and move to the center here. Mute all the sounds because we don't want them to play while we're making our voiceover. So we record our voiceover from here, and the interface comes up, and you can choose your device, choose whichever you like, and your volume. And here, suppose I didn't mute I didn't mute the clips from here, I can mute them. Hit here and all your clips are mute. The sea was rising fast. It looked like a storm was coming. In the dark stood the lighthouse, bright with the lights shining to guide the way for seafarers. And we stop the audio when we want to stop it. So we click here, and we can close that dialog box here. And these are filters. We can make it energetic.
Amelia looked out the window to see, checking on the horizon.
Okay, we can add sweet.
Amelia looked out the window.
You can add voice character. So let's try the chipmunks.
Amelia looked out the window to see.
Okay, kind of funny. An audio that is quite long, or it could be a video, and you could always change the speed. Became smaller.
Amelia looked out the window to see, checking on the horizon for seafarers.
Okay, and moving it back, you can see that it expands, and it's going to be so slow. Undo everything and bring it back to normal. In this video, you will learn how to add audio from our device to our timeline, and also use the CapCut audio files. We'll learn how to import that into our timeline. We also learn how to adjust our speed, and we learn how to do fade in and fade out for our audio. Should be about the ambience, what you want the video to feel like. You want the audio conveys the mood of your clip, and it should be related. Imagine having somber music when people are doing a high energy activity. That won't work. Your audio, that should work. In our next video, we are going to look at how to remove our background. I hope to see you in that video. See you, and please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed watching it. See you in the next video. Bye.